How to take a photo in HP laptop. First of all, uncover the camera. After that, here you can see search icon and search for camera. Here you can see camera app. Click it here. Here you can see by default take video is selected. We need to change it to photo. Click it here. Now we can take a photo. Click here. You can take a photo of your document, yourself, or anything else. Click here. Here you can see the photo has captured. You can see the photo in camera roll. If you want to access this photo, simply click on this 3 icon. Here you can see open folder. Here you can see all the photos and videos you have captured so far. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.